my friends read book. I got this book finally. I don't love you anymore. It's such a great book, yeah. You know, if you're going through a heartbreak or, but it's not only for the people who went through the heartbreak. It's about the people who deserve to be. Sorry, क्या बोल रही हूँ? I'll get conscious when people sing. So it's like tell you know what your heart deserve a heart, like कैसे अपने heart को रखना है, like what kind of people really gonna love you or something. So I love this book a lot. So I hate AC buses. ऐसे इस वाले बस में मेरे को बहुत चक्कर आता है, but I'm going. How they painted flowers so beautifully, so successful. Wow. Even the color is so pretty. Park is so beautiful, yeah. Yes, and let's stop the sunset from entering the heart. So I walked in and stayed. I hope you like this. It's so nice. This is the place I'm coming after so long. I'm reading this book. Oh, this book is trending now for me. Like पूरा खा लिया मैंने book को पढ़ के. This is so pretty. हाँ, you have to say something.
Hi, welcome to Hyderabad. So today we are going to read something. I don't know what I'm going to read, but I am present here. Come, let's go.
Good. कट का रेट बढ़ गया भाई, 50 रुपीज. हम here in Kibe Park. So beautiful. Where? देखो सब reading कर रहे. So it had about its people are reading after a long time. भाई कुछ बोल.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? तेरे टाइम नहीं आता ना.
क्या कौन सा बुक पढ़ रही है वो बता दे.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm reading this book. Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. It's a really very good book.
ये तो मैं भी बता दूँ तेरे को.
Yeah, I met Rita after a very long time, and it was very like pleasant to meet her, and she's very cute girl.
Wow, what a formal speech.
अरे वो नहीं आता यार.
Thank you. Park also. Wow, that's so pretty flower. Here, this background is so pretty. And let's talk about this book. So I don't love you anymore. It's kind of one-sided love that Ritik was saying about, you know, one person will have a love but another will not. It'll teach you like how you should take care of your heart and do not fall for the wrong person. You know, it'll teach you like how your heart deserves to be loved and wait for the right person. And like it's just like every line of this book is so heart touching, so heartwarming and so relatable. Like some of them are not relatable, like because I didn't go through the breakup because I never get a chance to get in love also. So Miss Little came in the background. I love this background, dude. So pretty, see? Oh. People are staring, I'm making video. Anyway, so today like I'm not coming to the Hyderabad. It's more often now what time. Today my friends like they called and they told they want to meet me. And they said they have a surprise for me. I think I don't know. Let's see if they really have a surprise or not. They're just joking around just to call me here. Yep. I'm trying to take some good pictures but it's not coming. It's so difficult. So I'm waiting for someone to come and take my pictures. Yep. Even though it's so pretty. By the way, when I was recording, there's so many people sitting around doing yoga and exercise. I'm the only one who's just making the YouTube vlog. That is so funny. So I'm like roaming here and like this. So I love walking in the green air and listening to the song. The sunset is looking so beautiful. So whenever I go to KB Park, I just first go for the walk at least for half an hour because KB Park is so beautiful. The greenery and the way it is kind of little forest. So it's so beautiful to walk around and listening to your favorite songs, especially the sad songs. I will enjoy that. I love the greenery और especially जब sunset होता है ना उस वक्त तो KB Park so beautiful लगता है. And I was just waiting for my friends to come because they did not come yet और मैं सोचा मैं तो कुछ घूम लूँगी इधर उधर. And later on I got to know the surprise that they were talking about, that they told me they're gonna give me a surprise that he might gonna write a book about my story. Like I don't have a very interesting story, but he wanted to write about it. I was like so shocked. I mean, I was expecting some food or chocolate. But it wasn't. Like he wanted to know about discrimination I might facing so many discrimination walking around in the bus and metro. Recently one thing happened is when I was standing in the metro, there was no seat and there was some Muslim movements and they were like gossiping and the China ke log, and he said this, like she said this word, China ke log. I felt so numb and couldn't reply to back that I'm from Nepal, not from China, and my dad into army and grew up in India. Like, people don't know the story behind you and they start discriminating you and making a racist comment. That I felt so bad about it. So people should be very kind in this world. They need such kind of people who has more insaniyat hoti hai, like you can just randomly comment on the people. I don't know why they do that, but I felt bad and couldn't reply them back, and later on I was regretting why I didn't reply them back. I think sometimes it's okay not to reply and fight back, maybe. That's fine, leave it. So sometimes people ask me why do I blog so much. It's just like I'm documenting my life. It's not for earning money, it's just for maybe after 60-50 years I'll just watch and smile. So after the walk, I went back to the people where we are having reading and painting. This is Hyderabad Paints. Then we have the group picture and the photo at the end. I love coming to KB Park.
Hi. So we are here with the Hyderabadites. Say hi.
Oh, hi, hey everyone.
Face नहीं आ रहा clear.
So it's because of the dark here.
He's hiding. Why are you hiding? Say something
Say something.
to your mom. She might see the vlog.
What should I say? Mom, something.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So we are gonna go for dosa, I guess. Kalyan! Kalyan! Hi. These people are so I'm trying to get them in vlog, they are running away. Why you are running away? Come here. क्या हो रहा है कल्याण? Every time you hiding. फिर से sunglass लगा रहा है night को. So people are chatting with each other. This is what happened after the silent reading. You get to meet new people. So friendly. Asking for love. Okay, I thought he was talking about them. She thought it's okay about yours. Wow. He's like want to come with you.
Yeah, he likes my energy. He loves me.
Is it okay if I take your video?
Yeah, no worries.
I'll upload in YouTube.
Okay, thank you. I'll be a viral celebrity.
You also say something if you don't mind.
Very socially awkward.
Okay. I also wanted to, but I'm afraid of dogs.
Don't worry.
I'm afraid of dogs, yaar.
He won't do anything now. Just अरे इसके कान पकड़े हैं मैंने.
It's nice that they have a good system.
Yeah. He's someone's pet. But he's asking for love from everyone.
Thank you for recording. Yeah.
So how to look into sky, Jupiter kidhar hai, Venus kidhar hai. So he was watching. Which application you would like to tell the audience?
See, first of all, if you guys see there,
नहीं दिख रहा है यार, लाइट आ रहा है उधर.
that's Venus actually. If you see there, I don't know if it is visible in the camera or not, but if you see my
लाइट आ रहा
screen,
है. You have to show from here. There.
that one is Jupiter.
Yeah.
So this one on the top here, this is Jupiter right now.
Ah, okay, nice. तो दिखता है मतलब you
Yes,
have.
and there is Mars also, but it's not visible yet. Maybe after a couple of hours you can see a red dot on the top. After a couple of hours, so that will be Mars.
Okay. Oh hi.
stars enters into the frame.
It looks like a moon.
Say bye to people, or I just ignore because they don't like it.
People are trying to cross. Come. To eat dosa, but जबरदस्ती मेरे को डोसा खिलाने के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं ये लोग. मेरे को डोसा नहीं खाना तब भी ये लोग लेके जा रहे हैं. देखो. Bad people. So we are at what is this place? Panchakattu. Their favorite. They are craving for dosa, but I don't wanna eat dosa.
A lot of parking space here.
दिख रहा है रे तू इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ. विशाल टर्न कर. टर्न. अरे why you not turning? Vishal, it is too much. It is why you giving me attitude.
You document everything that you see, isn't it?
I love it. Oh, Archana, say hi.
Hello.
They're looking like a. Coffee, juice. Our gang is having, I don't know, that is idli and that's upma. Vishal.
Pretty still waiting now.
So I'm having a.
Pretty is waiting for dosa.
Automatically उधर आ रहा है मेरे ब्लॉग में हाय बोलते हैं.
Do I have to pay you?
Oh my
But it's okay later.
Yeah, once everything
Enjoy
is
it.
done.
Later.
Enjoy it.
Day after next time when we meet.
No, we'll pay after having.
No, enjoy your food now. Relax.
I'm recording this filter coffee. He's very
And
shy,
Vishal is in the
controls my
video.
camera. He's saying that
And
he's
Vishal
very
is in the video.
And he's saying
Yeah.
he's very famous. I don't know this guy.
Oh, he's done some web series and all of that.
Oh my
So
god.
you
Yeah.
need to legally take his
Oh my god.
permission
Okay.
to record him.
I
So
will
that's why
not
he's
record.
hiding his
I will
face.
not record it. So we're having filter coffee. But this filter coffee actually people will eat like this, na? They'll put it here.
In the vlog. That's what this thing is for.
तेरे ऊपर गिर के जलना है. That's what I'm looking for. That would be a vlog.
इधर देखना.
Insane, that is insane.
बहुत गंदा है. मैं मजाक उड़ाते हैं.
ये इडली तेरा है ना?
We'll have to wait for 10 minutes. उधर देख
आज में गरम है यार.
रेन भैया नहीं तो वो श्री लूं.
Got me front glasses. Looks pretty cool. Just sun नहीं है इधर, but we are wearing sunglasses. Wow. It's looking cool at me actually.
భయ కౌటిల్య అర్థశాస్త్ర తీసుకున్నాం చాలా అర్థం కావట్లేదు
Wearing a specs.
ఒక్క అర్థమైతే ఎకనామికల్
अर्चना का नहीं आया.
Look, I don't know nothing.
Now I'm walking back home. My friend Kirti have dropped me till some point and she went home from there. I'm gonna take a bus actually. I can book a Rapido also, but I want to go on a bus. Bus is less pricey and this time itna crowded bhi nahi hoga. You know, when there is a bus stop nearby, I don't book Rapido, Uber. So beautiful walk. थोड़ा सा light, थोड़ा सा dim light. And I'm listening to a beautiful song. Bye bye guys. See you in the next vlog. Comment, subscribe.